Tired of stubborn blackheads and rough skin that just won't clear up? There's one cult favorite that skincare lovers swear by, the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. This gentle Korean exfoliant uses 4% betaine salicylate, a milder form of BHA, to clean deep inside your pores, dissolving blackheads, dead skin, and excess oil without irritating your skin. Infused with willow bark water, niacinamide, and panthenol, it not only unclogs but also calms, brightens, and hydrates your skin at the same time. Thousands of users on Amazon say their pores look smaller, their skin smoother, and their blackheads are finally under control. It's lightweight, fragrance-free, and perfect even if you're just starting out with acids. Pros: gentle but effective exfoliation. Smooths texture and brightens tone. Hydrating, non-sticky finish. Great for oily and combination skin. Cons: can cause mild purging at first. Results take a few weeks. Consistency is key. Ready for smoother, clearer skin? Get your COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid now. Check out the link in the description to grab the authentic one from Amazon.